If the 6 cubes were to be painted separately, then there would be 6 times 6, 36 surfaces, right? Each cube has 6 surfaces, and if there are 6 surfaces, 36 surfaces would be there overall, and therefore the area would be 36a square, where a is the side of the cube. When we form a 1 into 6 row, something like this, 1 into 6 row, something like this. So imagine it would be something like this, and something like this here as well, something like this. So one side would be 6 and the other two sides would be 6a. The other two sides would be a and a only. The total surface area would be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is going to turn out to be 2 into a once, and the other two times when 6a is going to be involved, it's going to be 6a into a, 6a square plus again 6a into a, 6a square. So overall 12, 13, it's going to be 26a square. 36a square becomes 26a square. The difference is 10a square out of 36a square, which is roughly 30%. So in the case of 1 into 6 matrix, so there are two choices which are nearby. So we need to find a more accurate answer. So 30%, see, 30% of 36 would be 10.8. This is only 10, so it has to be less than 30%. It cannot be more than 30%. 33 cannot be the answer. It has to be just a bit less than 30%. So 28% saving happens in this case. In the case of 2 into 3 matrix, imagine there'll be two sides with something like this. 3 cubes and then 3 cubes on top of it, something like this. So one side would be 3a, one side would be 2a, and one side, this side, would still remain a. The three sides here are 2a, a and 3a, and therefore the total surface area is going to be 2 into all the three combinations. 2a into a, 2a square, plus a into 3a, 3a square, plus 2a into 3a, that is 6a square. Turns out to be 11a square the sum into 2, this would be 22a square. The difference is 36 minus 22, this is 14a square, that is the difference, 14a square on a base of 36a square. So the saving is just a bit less than 40%. 40% of 36 is 14.4 and this is only 14. So just a bit less than 40%, 39%, that has to be the amount of saving in 2 into 3 matrix. So the right combination of answers is option B and option D.